Hey everyone, having trouble with your Metro payment? Don't worry, let's break down the common reasons why this might be happening. First, Metro by T-Mobile operates on a prepaid system, so your service depends on consistent recharges. The most frequent issues are usually pretty straightforward. One common cause is simply insufficient funds in your linked account or an expired card. Always double check these details. Another potential culprit is a temporary network hiccup or an outdated Metro app. These can interrupt the payment process, especially during AutoPay. Also, keep an eye out for potential fraud alerts from your bank, as these can sometimes block legitimate transactions. Remember that T-Mobile's merger integrations have streamlined things, but can occasionally cause temporary glitches too, as seen with the AutoPay outage in 2024. Understanding these fundamentals is the first step to getting your service back up and running. All right, let's get into fixing those payment problems. Start with the basics. Verify your account details like your PIN and IMEI. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for the Metro app. If it's an app issue, try clearing the cache or updating to the latest version. 8.5 Plus has AI-powered troubleshooting. For AutoPay declines, confirm your payment method is active and has sufficient funds. If you're still stuck, the Metro app now offers AI-driven chatbots that can autonomously diagnose and fix many payment problems. You can also access error logs within the app's settings for specific failure messages like payment declined, invalid card. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Metro support at 611. They can manually override issues and resolve billing disputes. Remember, many problems can be resolved independently, with expert advice favoring app resets over retailer visits for quicker fixes. By following these steps, you'll be back to enjoying your Metro service in no time.